A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about chapter number 13. Chapter number 13 tribes in India. But today we will discuss about knowledge bank. Chapter number 14 knowledge bank. Today we will gain knowledge about Supreme Court. First is about Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Second is about Sport Authority of India. Sports Authority. Sport Authority of India. It means SAI. Okay. Third is Defense Research. Defense Research. Defense Research and Development Organization. Development Organization. Now next is Aadhaar. Next is Aadhaar. Next is Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier. Okay, Siachen Glacier. Now last one is Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India. Okay, students. So today we will discuss about all these topics. First is Supreme Court. About Supreme Court, Sport Authority of India, SAI, Defense Research and Development Organization, Aadhaar, Siachen Glacier. Now next is Reserve Bank of India. So students, let's see your book. According to your books, we'll discuss about all these topic now. Okay, let's see your book. Yes, you can see. Let's see. Knowledge Bank. This is the Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court was inaugurated on January 28, 1950. It is the highest court of justice in India. Highest court of justice in India. It comprises the Chief Justice and 30 judges appointed by the President of India. Okay, students. So it is about Supreme Court. Supreme Court was inaugurated on January 28, 1950. It is the highest court of justice in India. It comprises the Chief Justice and 30 judges appointed by the President of India. Okay, students. Now next is the Sport Authority of India. Next is Sport Authority of India, SAI. is the apex national sport body of India. It was established in 1984 by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport of Government of India. Okay, its main focus is training, scouting. Its main focus is training, scouting, infrastructure development and maintenance. Okay students, and maintenance. Now next is Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. About DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization, DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, engages in research of new technologies for defense and combat. Okay, and combat. It is headquartered. It's headquartered in New Delhi. It was established in the year 1958. 1958. Okay, it was established in the year 1958. Now next is Aadhaar. This is the Aadhaar card. Aadhaar is a 12-digit unique identity number. Okay, Aadhaar is a 12-digit unique identity number that can be obtained voluntarily by the residents of India. Residents of India. It is recently set up and formalized by the Indian government. Okay, formalized by the Indian government. It is 12 digits, a unique identity number. Okay students. Now next is Siachen Glacier. This is the Siachen Glacier. The Siachen Glacier is located in the eastern Karakoram Range. Eastern Karakoram Range in the Himalayas. It is just at the northeast point NJ 9842, where the line of control between India and Pakistan ends. Okay students, the Siachen Glacier is located in the eastern Karakoram Range. Eastern Karakoram Range in the Himalayas. It is just at the northeast point NJ 9842, where the line of control between India and Pakistan ends. Now last one is Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Its short name is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Serve as India's central banking institution. Okay, RBI serves as India's central banking institution. It regulates the issue of bank notes and undertakes steps for maintaining the monetary stability of India. Okay, so this is about Reserve Bank of India. So students, today we have discussed about Supreme Court, Sport Authority of India, Defense Research Organization DRDO, Aadhaar, now Siachen Glacier and Reserve Bank of India. So thank you. In next chapter we will discuss about next topic. Okay, very thank you.